Welcome to ARC Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to save any image or any video from Instagram. That's right. So if you open Instagram, you would find that you will not be able to save any image to your local desktop or from your system or on your phone. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily save any video, any photo from Instagram to your desktop. So for easy purpose, today I will be in this tutorial I will be showing you how to open image first and then how do we save the video. So for that, let's open Google and let's say search for Instagram, your favorite, let's say Kim Kar. So there you go. So you have the Kim Kardashian Instagram account. That's a beautiful pic, you can see. Uh, so let's say you want to download this picture. Open that. You would see that now right click, save as. So when you try to click on save as, it will show that it will ask you to save the entire web page, but we don't want the entire web page. All we want is a simple image. So for that, there are two requirements. One, we need to use Google Chrome browser with developer tools. So it comes with developer tools. So I'm using Google Chrome browser. So you need to install that. Right click, inspect element. So you can see that again. You can say right click on that image, and you would see inspect option. Click on that, expand, and you can hover on these links, and you can see that just above this you would see an entry and there is a URL. So right click, open a new tab. There you see the image is here. See, you just right click on open a new tab, and we have our image in a new tab. So once you have the image, you can click save image as, and you should be able to save it anywhere you want. See, now you have downloaded the image. Just click on it and you have a local copy of the image. Wasn't that simple? For more, try it out and please let me know in comments if you were able to download any image or anything. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save any video from Instagram account of anybody. So try this out. Please let me know if you need any help. Thanks, friends, and please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you so much.